Your world can't possibly be spinning faster, and yet recently it might feel that way to you. How can you, your team, or your organization process society's relentless change and complexity and remain successful and happy? The key is to think about your thinking. Thinking is your brain's process of making sense of the world. But ways of thinking are different for each of us, meaning we all process information differently. How often have you asked yourself, why doesn't this person just do it the way that makes sense? Why does a messy desk drive some people crazy while others feel inspired by it? Why did that client relationship break down? Why is it that some people get your point right away while others never seem to understand you? Your frustrations are all too real. But imagine if you had a simple way to decode others without exhausting yourself. Thankfully, you do. It's called whole brain thinking. Whole brain thinking provides a roadmap for your thinking journey. Understanding your own thinking will help you be more effective at work and help you collaborate better with others. One of the first steps in your journey will be taking the HBDI, which measures your personal thinking preferences. The results will bring clarity to how you think about the world around you. As a result, you'll jump over common hurdles in work and everyday life, and you'll stretch your thinking to make you more present, effective, and engaging. Importantly, your thinking is just the beginning, because understanding other people's thinking and making it easier for them to understand you is a productivity multiplier. Each time you add a thinker to a team, there is the potential for exponentially more friction and frustration, or exponentially more value. How well you understand others' thinking and get them to understand your thinking makes all the difference in what you actually end up doing. That's why it's so powerful for you to have a common language for your thinking preferences. You can turn what was previously problematic into a prosperous opportunity. When you apply what you learn, you'll see that whole brain thinking is so much more than simply completing the HBDI. It is a framework that can help you improve any interaction, help you solve problems faster, and make better decisions, whatever your goals may be. For your team, it can mean fewer unproductive, morale-killing meetings. Once your team understands its thinking, it becomes more effective than the sum of its parts. As it is extended across your organization, it becomes a common language for translating ideas into action. Everyone can have a clearer sense of what the organization stands for, how it operates, and how you add value. Finally, there's the world at large. Millions of people across the globe, despite various spoken languages, share the common language of whole brain thinking. They could be your customers, friends, or teachers. They're engaging with each other, building upon diverse ideas, and turning them into real change and powerful results. Are you ready to align, manage, collaborate, communicate, and lead on a whole new level? The first steps in your transformative journey lie just ahead. So let's get going.